Hello, today we're going to be showing y'all how to make a NSFW bot. It's not really a bot, it's more like a webhook. It's not going to be using any of the Discord's like applications to make a bot. It's just a webhook and you can send, I guess, NSFW stuff with it without, actually having to use Discord's library to make a bot. It's in embeds. So we can, we can clear a little terminal there, right? And we have all our options, right? And this is more optimized code, so you can see that we put the user's input as a string, and then we look for all these options right here. So each number will equal these, right? So then we can go to, oops, sorry about that. I was testing that. You can add more if you wanted more. So let's copy their API right here. Alright, and we can see that we can do print option picked. Let me just do this, and then option picked, and then let's put our brackets, and then let's do format. We're gonna actually set this to a variable, or a little option here. So option equals field, and then user. Okay, and then we just do option. Okay. So option picked, and it will just pick out the user's basically option that they picked out. So we're only gonna be showing the food today because I cannot show anything else for YouTube. Sorry about that. So we picked that option, so we're gonna actually send a request. Wait, yeah, we're gonna do while, we're gonna put a loop. So how we get a loop is we type while true, and then we can just, oh shit, and we just do connect, since we're connecting to the thingy request. Sorry if I'm just saying like thingy and you don't understand. We're connecting to the API. This is the API, and then we can just type an image, then type, we specify the type, and then we do format, and then we put user's option here. Okay, and then we type in if, we type in, alright, we want to test this out, so I'm gonna type in connect. We're doing connect.text, connect. Alright, we're gonna do that. Alright. Shit, alright, so it works. So we know we get our URLs, so then we can just do, we can load the target, or so we're just gonna type in, we're gonna type in load, and then base on dot loads. Okay. Then we can just do print. Oh wait, no. JSON.loads, and it'll just basically parse this into a JSON format. So then we can just use it like this, print and load, and then message, because that's the object that's holding the link, and we just do that. Alright, now we got the link, so now we can just, our little message right here, we just copy this because we're gonna need it for a second. We need to do, we need some data because we're gonna be sending to a webhook, so we haven't created our webhook yet, but we will. And then we need to type in content because it's sending content, right? And that's the content right there, because it's the load.message, well, URL. So then we can just go here, our little edit channel, our webhooks. Okay, you got our little NSFW bot here, and then we can just do Discord. Okay, and then Discord will just send another request, put a post request. So we just put the webhook there, then specify that we're sending data, and then that should work. Gotta make sure. Then we can just do right here after it sends that request. We can do time.sleep. Wait a matter of seconds. Wait 4 seconds because this has some issues. And then we can just say print send data to webhook. Or we can just actually, so you know, people can see if there's a different like status code for the thingy. We can just do that. Yeah. Let's see what this does. Okay, we're just gonna go 4. Let's see what this does. Yep, response 200. So 200 status code means it's an okay status code. So we can just go here and we see our little NSF, or food or whatever that you picked, right? And we can actually, if you want to say something else, we can just add quotes and then a plus and say, here is some horny. I don't know how to. Okay. Here's some horny, and then we just do a break line. And if you want to create embeds, I'm not going to show you how to create embeds with webhooks, but if you want to create embeds with webhooks, you can. But here it is, and that's it, really. And it's all optimized. It's way better code than last time, and it's updated. So, I guess enjoy it if you did, and thank you. I'm sorry about all the Nazi stuff in the last video. That was just for funniness, even though it wasn't funny, and a lot of people did not like it. So, you know, this is, I guess, I hope you guys enjoy this. Yeah, thank you for watching.